Plants like this that wouldn't have existed if all of us didn't act are now operating at maximum capacity.
So a lot of companies, because they want maximum flexibility, they would rather spend a lot of money on consultants and lawyers to prevent a union from forming than they would just going ahead and having the union and then trying to work with and collectively allow workers to collectively bargain. In an hour of maximum danger, amid the bleakest of circumstances, men who thought themselves ordinary found within themselves the ability to do something extraordinary. They eyes of various SBA loans. So I'm calling on Congress to increase the cap on what's called. We've got people who engage in terrorist attacks who are in our prisons, maximum security prisons all across the country. And obviously at the federal level, this is an area where we've got to exhibit maximum flexibility.
But we want that budget to be spent to maximum effect.
それぞれの持つ能力や資源を最大限活用し、日米両国がその責任と役割を分担を果たしていくとの決意が明確に記されております。それは私の確信でもあります。日米両国がその両端に位置するアジア太平洋地域は世界の成長センターで
The type of assault rifle used in Aurora, for example, when paired with high-capacity magazines, has one purpose: to pump out as many bullets as possible, as quickly as possible, to do as much damage, using bullets often designed to inflict maximum damage. But I think all of us should reflect on why exactly are we doing this? Why are we doing this? I mean, we've got a whole bunch of individuals who have been tried who are currently in maximum security prisons. You know, for example, we increased the maximum home value that could be financed in the midst of the recession because it helped to strengthen homes.
Maximum space for civil society.
If confirmed by the Senate, I pledge to do my utmost to keep that trust and meet the great responsibilities that Congress has entrusted to the Federal Reserve to promote maximum employment, stable prices, and a strong and stable financial system.
I also assured the President that as a responsible nuclear state, Pakistan would continue to act with maximum restraint and work towards strengthening strategic stability in South Asia.
But obviously we will make sure that we will design these sanctions in such a way that they will have maximum impact on the Russian economy and not on the European, the Canadian, the Japanese or the American economy.
Asia, we made our maximum efforts even when we were poor.
We come to remember why America and our allies gave so much for the survival of liberty at this moment of maximum peril. As Americans, we cherish our civil liberties, and we need to uphold that commitment if we want maximum cooperation from other countries and industry in our fight against terrorist networks. As Americans, we cherish our civil liberties, and we need to uphold that commitment if we want maximum cooperation from other countries and industry in our fight against terrorist networks.